Hey guys, what's up? So today we've got a pretty interesting bus update. So this last week was quite a week for me getting parts and stuff. So there's some new additions to my ever-going pile of bus-related parts. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the things, and yeah, we'll go ahead and get started. So I get up into the bus here. The first thing is this second gen CE grill. Now, this actually came from one of Lebanon's buses. This came off of 58, which this grill itself is actually a replacement. I'm not sure when exactly this went on the bus, but I'd say about 10 years ago. So the reason why this grill was taken off of 58 is right there. The mounting piece that takes it to the, or mounts it to the hood rather, kind of snapped, so they can't use this anymore. So I was asked if I wanted it, and of course I said yes, because the IC badge, if nothing else, I could salvage that off of it. But I'm thinking maybe try to use this for something. I haven't figured out what yet. Second thing, I got some new old stock, I guess you could consider it, bus parts. So the first little thing here, we got Thomas step treads. So that's pretty cool, and I'm pretty sure this is two different, it looks like it's two different styles. Maybe not, maybe I'm just seeing things. But yeah, those are Thomas branded step treads that probably would go on a bus of Peter's bus's age. Then I have this very large collection of Bader Brown lights. So warning lights, turn signals, reverse lights, brake lights. And you know what bus uses or has Bader Brown lights? That one right there. This one right here, which this one right here doesn't really matter for these lights, but these are lights that were used on Wayne's and several other buses, or bus bodies. But these were all lights that were used on Wayne's, and I was asked if I wanted them because really, you got all the new stuff today, and this really isn't good for any of that. So I was asked if I wanted them. I said yeah, because once this is all gone, it's gone. Bader Brown doesn't produce lights anymore. I'm pretty sure they are out of business. Anyway, so this is all stuff that either I'm going to use for 45 or other people that own buses that might have use for it. So that's pretty cool. Also there's a box of reverse lights and warning lights and turn signal lenses. There's the turn signal lenses right there. So that's new. And then I got a few of these little chrome pieces that would go in front of the headlight on a 3800, so right behind the bezel. And then I got this, which is a step tread for the middle step on a Superior. And it's got that cut so that when it's on the bus, it would actually, this piece would be folded in. So that's pretty cool, and I'm pretty sure this already has a new home. So I obviously don't have any Superiors, but I know some people who do. But yeah, that's an update. I'm definitely going to have to get more storage for in here. I'm thinking maybe another filing cabinet, because I want to condense these lights out of boxes and into some kind of more permanent storage space or storage container or something. So yeah, lots of interesting new things in here. And as you can see, it's getting overcrowded. Ever since I got the hood, it's thrown a lot of the space off, because it's a hood and it takes up a lot of space. But yeah, so some pretty cool little additions. The grill, I don't know, something will happen with that, but it's a CE grill. Why not? You know, you can never have enough IC badges. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for in here. Let's see, I don't think there's anything new with 45. No. So yeah, we're in March, which is pretty awesome. March is my birthday month. It's also the end of this month will also mark 21 years since 50 was produced. So it's kind of 50's birthday month too. But anyway, I don't think there's really much else. I just kind of wanted to show you guys. I forgot to show you this box. This box has warning lights and some reverse lights down in the bottom. But yeah, there's the box that all this other stuff came in, and I'm gonna have to put it back in as soon as I'm done filming this video. But I just kind of wanted to show you some of the stuff in here, and you know, I do kind of want to say this on a lot of this stuff that is, you know, just given to me because it's just stuff that's really not good to anyone else. These lights are for an era of school buses that is pretty much gone. And for them to be trashed, they're done. Like after that, like after these lights or after whatever lights are still left, that's it. There's no more because Beta Brown's out of business. But my thing with a lot of this stuff that is old is, you know, I take it not just because I want it, but also because I want to preserve it in case I need it or somebody else needs it. And in my mind, it's like parts for older muscle cars or hard to find cars or whatever. It's just stuff that when it's gone, it's gone. So that's what a lot of this stuff even is in here. But I'm sure you guys all can understand that. So anyways, that's going to be it, I think, for this video. That sticker is coming up. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. I may add in some 45 stuff, but that's pretty much it. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Yeah. Would you quit being a sake? Whoops, forgot my car was there.